Hey there, guys. If you were struggling with the wrong language settings in, Call of Duty Black Ops 6, guys, don't worry. I have got you covered. So here's how you can basically quickly change the language settings so you can enjoy the game in your preferred language. So let's get started, guys. What you're going to do is, first things first, just access the game settings. So just open, Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on your PC or console, and from the main menu, you want to go to settings. Okay, it was basically a gear icon, typically in the top right corner. And then here, what you want to do, guys, is you want to locate the language options. You want to navigate to interface or accessibility tab, and then just scroll down to find the language option. So what you want to do, basically, guys, here is you want to, select your preferred language. Just click or select the language drop-down menu and choose your desired language from the available list. For example, you could have English, Spanish, French, whatever language you actually want. And then what you want to do, guys, is you just want to confirm and apply the changes. So after selecting the language, just press apply or just confirm the changes. So this game will basically prompt you to restart for the new language settings to actually take into effect. So what we're gonna do basically, guys, is just restart the game, just close the game completely and relaunch it. And what's going to happen is the interface, the subtitles, and the audio will now be in your chosen language. And if you want an alternative method, guys, so this is only for PC users, okay? So if you're playing on PC, so the game launcher, for example, like Steam or Battle.net, may have a language settings. So you just want to open up the game launcher, okay? For example, if you're using Steam, open up Steam, and then right click on a Black Ops 6 on your library, and just select properties or settings and just locate the language option under the general settings and just choose your preferred language and let the launcher download any additional language packs if needed. Then just verify the settings and press save. Okay, and there you go, guys. Changing the language in Black Ops 6 is as easy and fast. Enjoy the game, guys, in the language you love the most. Happy gaming, guys, and make sure you like the video and subscribe to Find Your Solutions, and I'll see you guys next time.